Okay, signal generator. How to set up the scope to become a signal generator. First thing we do before we start any measurement on the scope, we press the preset button, reset everything back to default. Now, the oscilloscope inputs are channel 1 and channel 2. The function generator output will come from the auxiliary out located here. For the function generator output, we will connect a BNC to crocodile lead. We will not connect a probe. For the input, we will connect probes. We will not connect a BNC to crocodile lead. Okay, I take my BNC lead, I plug it in to the auxiliary out. I take a probe, I select channel 1, I plug it in to channel 1. We're going to generate a sine wave of 1 kHz at 1 volt peak to peak to come out of here, and then we're going to put it straight back into the input to see what we're generating. So first of all, to turn the output on. The gen button enables the function generator. Once you press that, we will get the function generator menu come up. Here in the function, we can choose what type of signal we want. In our case, we want a sine wave. Frequency, we press our frequency button, press it again. Now we can enter the frequency we want. And in my case, I've decided that I would like a 1 kHz signal. So I press a 1 and a K. Amplitude, this is, press again. I would like to have 1 volt peak to peak. So I type in a 1 and I press enter. Now you can see this has changed 1 VPP, 1 volt peak to peak. We can add an offset and we can add a noise, but we're not going to do that. Our input, we know that we're going to have a sine wave that is 1 volt peak to peak. So I'm going to set my vertical scale, represented down here, is currently at 500 millivolts a division. So if I want to see a 1 volt peak to peak, it's going to be quite small on here. So I'm going to reduce this, and I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to have a look at 200 millivolts of the division. Now, I'm going to connect the output of my function generator to my probe. I'm going to connect the grounds together, and I'm going to clip my probe onto this crocodile clip. On the function generator menu, I have this switch at the top which turns the function generator on and off. So now I'm going to press that switch, and now I can turn it on, and I see a beautiful sine wave that's come up. I can reduce my horizontal scale so I can see more of the sine wave in my picture. I can reduce the vertical scale so I can see more of the vertical size of the sine wave. So now I'm set 500 millivolts of division. So I have 500, 1 volt. And then that's 1 volt in the negative and 1 volt in the positive.